For example 4, we're going to graph x over x squared minus x minus 2. So again, start with the vertical asymptotes. So x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. To solve this, I'd factor to x minus 2 and x plus 1. So now I have two vertical asymptotes. I have one vertical asymptote at negative f positive 2 and one at negative 1. So it looks like that for my asymptotes. Then for my horizontal, I have top is less than bottom for my degree, because x to the first is less than x to the second. So that means y equals 0. So I've got my asymptotes on there. Now I've got to pick points of what's actually going to go on. So I need to pick points to the left of the asymptote. So negative 2 is to the left. I need to pick points in the middle of it, 0 and 1, and pick points to the right of it, so pick 3. So our 3 sections. If I put in negative 2, that gives me negative 2 over negative 2 squared minus negative 2 minus 2, which turns out to be negative 0.3. So negative 2, negative 0.3, so we know this curve is going to come down here like that. If I put in 0, it's going to give me 0. If I put in 1, it gives me 1 over 1 squared minus 1 minus 2. So that would be negative 1/2. So 0, 0, 1, negative 1/2. And so we know it's got to come down here like this. And it is okay for the graph to go through the asymptote. So this one actually comes up like that. To double check it, put negative 1/2 in for x. And then for 3, it's going to be 3 over 3 squared minus 3 minus 2. So 3 over 6 fourths, so 3 fourths, or 0.75. The 3 is above it at 0.75, so it's going to come like this. And there's the graph for that one. I want us to go ahead and try number 27. Fx equals 3x over x squared minus x minus 2. So it looks pretty similar because of these two. This is pretty similar to that one. So press pause and come back and see if you're able to do it right. Alright, so for number 27, 3x over x squared minus x minus 2. My vertical asymptote, x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. X minus 2, x plus 1 is how it factors. Set factors equals 0. X is 2, x is negative 1. So 2, negative 1. Then for the horizontal, we have top, x to the first, less than bottom, x squared. So that means y equals 0 for the horizontal asymptote. Now make your t-chart. To the left, we got to choose negative 2. In the middle, 0 and 1. To the right, choose 3. Figure out what these numbers are. So I would just put them in my calculator, and you get these numbers. 1 is negative 1/2. 3 is 2.25. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.25. So it's going to come down like this. 0, negative 2, and a 1, negative 1/2. Oh, I don't know what I was thinking. 0 is going to be 0 because 0 divided by negative 2 is 0. So it's going to come like this. And then negative 2 is negative 0.9. I know it's going to end up like this for my graph. So that's the graph of that function.